Hi, in this video we will talk about 6 herbs that protect eyes and repair vision. Our eyes are constantly bombarded with screens and artificial lights, leading to increased strain and potential damage. These herbs are often rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and other compounds that may help protect the eyes from damage caused by environmental factors, aging, and oxidative stress, as well as potentially aid in repairing and maintaining vision clarity. However, nature provides us with a bounty of herbs that can help protect and repair our precious vision. We'll explore 6 powerful herbs renowned for their ability to support eye health and promote clearer vision. Number 1. Passionflower. Passionflower is a beautiful flowering vine known for its calming properties and potential health benefits. Passionflower is not typically associated with directly protecting eyes or repairing vision. It does offer some indirect benefits that could support overall eye health. Passionflower is well known for its calming effects and ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Stress can contribute to eye strain and fatigue, so managing stress levels may indirectly support better eye health. Passionflower is often used as a natural sleep aid due to its sedative properties. Getting adequate sleep is essential for eye health, as it allows the eyes to rest and repair overnight. Number 2. Gotoola. Gotoola, Centella asiatica, is a versatile herb with a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. It's not typically associated directly with protecting eyes or repairing vision. Chronic inflammation can contribute to various eye conditions, such as dry eye degeneration. Gotoola has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects which may help reduce inflammation in the eyes and support overall eye health. Gotoola is known for its ability to improve blood circulation. Circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the eyes and supporting their overall function and health. Number 3. Maragold. Maragold, also known as calendula officinalis, is a beautiful flowering plant with various medicinal properties. It's often used in herbal medicine and skincare products due to its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Marigold flowers contain high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that are crucial for eye health. Compounds help filter harmful blue light, reduce oxidative stress, and protect the eyes from damage caused by ultraviolet radiation. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea, derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, is renowned for its numerous health benefits, thanks to its rich, particularly catechins. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, like epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These antioxidants help protect cells, including those in the eyes, from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Reducing oxidative damage, green tea may help maintain overall eye health. Number 5. Bilberry. Bilberry, Vaccinium myrtillus, is a small, dark purple berry that grows on shrubs native to Europe, and it's closely related to the blueberry. Has a long history of traditional use For various health purposes. Particularly for supporting eye health and improving vision. Bilberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give the berries their deep purple color. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and damage as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Number 6. Sarsaparilla. Sarsaparilla is a plant with a long history of traditional use in herbal medicine. While it's not typically associated directly with protecting eyes or repairing vision, sarsaparilla does offer several potential benefits. Could indirectly support eye health. Traditionally, sarsaparilla has been used as a blood purifier and detoxifier. While there is limited scientific evidence to support this claim, some herbalists believe that cleansing the blood may indirectly benefit overall health, including eye health. Sarsaparilla has been used traditionally as an adaptogen, meaning it may help the body adapt to stress and promote a sense of well-being. Managing stress levels is important for overall health, including eye health, as chronic stress can contribute to eye strain and fatigue.